This is the next subtopic under algebraic processes, and that is factors. The previous one we treated is the first subtopic we treated under this algebraic processes is operation of numbers. So we want to continue from here, and that is factors. What do we mean by factor? Or factors of a number. These are possible multiples of numbers that can be combined to produce a given number. That's what we mean by factors of a number. These are possible multiples of numbers that can be combined to produce a given numbers. An example of those of these factors are, I wrote few on the board. We have many of those factors, but I wrote few on the board. The first one here is factors of 8. That's 2 in 8. Then all these factors are very what? Let me call attention to this. Looking at the number 8. 8, is it even number or odd number? 8 is even number because we will now look at the other even number that can go in that 8. And the first one is 2. So we say that 2 in 8 will give us 4. Then 2 in 4. 4 also is even number. So 2 will also go 4. So 2 in 4, we say it is 2. Then 2 itself is even number. So 2 will also go again. We say 2 in 2, 1. So factors of 8, the factors of 8 now is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Or we say 2 raised to power 3. Then the other one here is factors of 12. 12 is even number. So definitely 2 will also go. Plus 2 is even number. So 2 in 12, we say 6. 2 in 6, 3. Then 3 in 3, 1. Now, here we say 3 in 3 because 3 is an odd number. And so 3 will go in 3. 2 will not go because 2 is even number. So factors of 12 we have 2 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 3. Or we say 2 raised to power 2, then multiplied by 3. Another one here we say factors of 18. 2 in 18 is even number. 18 is even number. So 2 will go in 18. 2 in 18, 9. 9 is not even number. 9 is odd number. So we say 3 will go in 9. So 3 in 9 is 3. Then 3 in 3, 1. So factors of 18 is 2 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. Then we say 2, or we say 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. Now, we'll also talk about perfect square. Perfect square, these are factors that can be expressed as even powers. As even. Let me analyze the word even because that's the subject matter there. Even. How is the even number? Even number, these are number, although we will see in our next topic, we'll see stress on that. Even number, these are the number that are divisible by 2. Number that are divisible by 2 are called even number. So, but here we want to talk about even power. So we say, example now, look at this example, look at this one before. Factors of 12. We say factors of 12, this will be the previous example here. We look at this, the factors of 12 is 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 here is if because it's carry even power, which is 2. So we say it is a perfect number. We say it is a perfect number. So we say that 2 is a perfect square as it has even power. Then the 3 there is having power raised to power 5. The power is raised to power of 1. And you see that it is not a perfect square as it has a odd power. So we see that for 3 to be perfect number, it will need another 3. Another 3 will be needed to be a perfect square. So that is 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2. And we say it is a perfect number. So we see that factors, an example is a factors of 105. Looking at 105, actually it's a 3 digit. The fourth digit here is 5. And 5 is prime number. That is, when we say prime number, that is a number that is divisible by 1 and itself. That's what we mean by prime number. And so we say that look at this number 105. Because of this last digit, it is not a perfect number. But mathematically now, the expression, this is the expression. But because of this, because of to save time and because of white students or probably young students, we need to take note of all these basic things. Looking at the last digit number, because the last digit number is a prime number, and so that number, it is not a perfect number. So this is the expression. This is the breakdown of that. Look at it here. We said 3 in 105, it will give us 35. Then 5 in 35 will give us 7. Then 7 in 7 will give us 1. So we say the factors of 105 is 3 by, sorry, let me use 3 multiplied by 3, maybe by 5, then multiplied by 7. As you can see, actually in mathematics, any number in mathematics is raised to the power of 1. Although it is not visible, but that is how we say it in mathematics, that any number in mathematics has a power of 1, although it is not visible. But here, I intentionally put a power of 1 here so that we can understand what I'm saying. So 3, we only have 1 3 in those factors. We only have 3. Then factors of 105, we only have 1 5. Then factors of 105, we only have 1 7. And so we say that number is not a perfect number. Next class, we are going to talk about some special factors that involve linear expansion and other special factors under this topic.